What's up, everyone? It's time for another episode of Literacy Lunch, and today we're going to need some super smart detectives to get the job done. This activity is great to play with students who are learning their beginning consonants, the letters and their sounds, or for students who just need a little extra reinforcement in that area. Recognizing letters and their sounds is a lot easier if we make a game out of it, especially if that game includes physical activity. If this is your first video you've seen from us, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you can see all the fun tips and tricks that we have here at Literacy Lunch. Before we get started, you're going to need a letter chart. You can check out our free downloadable Letter Hunt PDF in the blog post in the description below. First, you're going to explain to your student that they are going on a letter scavenger hunt. They are only allowed to use one letter per item they find though. The letter chart will help your student keep track of all the letters that they found by marking it off with a sticker or anything else you have around the house or classroom. The goal of this activity is for every letter to be found on the chart. You can do this practically anywhere, in the classroom, at the home, at a grocery store, even at the park. Okay, let's look for some letters. Let's see. Oh, we have a lion. Lion starts with L or L. So we're gonna take our sticker and mark L on our chart. Like so. Let's look for another letter. Oh look, a mailbox. M. M for mailbox. Let's mark off the letter M on our letter chart. Now I have 2 letters found. This activity will help students recognize their letters and their sounds while also getting them up and moving. Give it a try. How many letters did your students find? Let us know in the comments below. If you did enjoy this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun activities that you can do with your student. Thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Literacy Lunch, and I'll catch you next time.